Welcome to vegetarian home style cooking. Today I'm going to share a vegetable curry to serve with grains of your choice. Watch till the end of the video to try this tasty curry. I prepared this with instant pot potatoes, cabbage and more vegetables. Like, share, subscribe for more recipes. Here we need cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, salt, oil. Onion, garlic, cabbage and carrot sticks. I used the whole packet. Recipe is for 4 people and the curry will stay good for 4 to 5 days. So heat pan and add oil, cumin, mustard seeds, onions, garlic, salt, turmeric. So cook till the onions are light pink. Then chop the cabbage, carrot, then add carrot and cabbage, mix well and close with the lid. You can sprinkle little water so that the vegetable will cook little fast. So these are potatoes I cooked in instant pot. Manual 3 minutes, medium size potatoes 4 to 6 you can add. So add water to the inner pot, place it and place the potatoes and manual 3 minutes and press cancel when you see low. So once the cabbage is soft, add the mashed potato and red chili, coriander, cumin powder and squeeze juice of lime or lemon. Mix well, close with lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Taste for salt and spices and add accordingly. You can serve with brown rice, quinoa, naan or grains of your choice. Like, share, subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching my video.